Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do a little experiment with, if it'll focus, Rustic Touch furniture polish to see what it's like on a stainless steel fridge. I've never done it, so fingers crossed. I'll move my little Gruffalo. Well, the kitty's made it for me. It's all good. It'll go back on. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Just spray it on. And wipe it off. Oh, it smells good too. I'm using a dry rag. I use these for everything. Okay, give it a nice shine. We'll do the handle. Panel. Yeah, no effect on the panel. It looks nice and clean. Now this razor, I don't know if you can see it, but it has watermarks from the water dispenser. So this will be a good test. See how this cleans up. Oh, easy. Well, what do you guys reckon? Look at the fridge up close. It's nice and shiny. Well, I reckon they worked a treat. So, on stainless steel. So let's check out my white fridge and see if it is just as magic over there. I'll see you over there. Okay, here we are with YouTube Magic at my white fridge. So, let's remove all the magnets and test her out. This one is very grubby, if you can see it, so this will be a test of a lifetime. Its hands. And spilt drinks and God knows what on this fridge. And this one, the magnet won't come off. Yes, it will. Okay. Rustic Touch again. Wish me luck, peoples. Oh, the freezer came up nice easy. Let's see how the fridge does. Okay, I can see with that little bit of time I just spent cleaning. I can do here too. I know I could get it a lot cleaner than what it is, but just for demonstration purposes, I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys reckon? Let's have a closer look at the freezer, because I know that's clean. She's white again. And a little bit of the fridge down the bottom is quite dirty still. But how about you guys be the judge and say what you reckon about this? I would probably say you can use any furniture polish, and if it's that easy, who's questioning it? Am I right, mums? Yeah. So get yourself some furniture polish. I used to use, before I was in Melaleuca, Cedar, I think it's called. I don't know. But thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments section whether you think this has made life a hell of a lot easier or not. Life hack. Okay, I'll catch us all in my next video. See ya.